Popular Science magazine, also known as Pop Sci, has named the top 25, as they put it, most awesome college labs in their September issue. The Micro-Autonomous Systems Technology, or MAST lab at the U.S. Army Research Laboratory, ARL, was the only military lab featured and came in at number 13. ARL strongly encourages its researchers to serve as mentors for high school and college students, according to Christopher Croninger, an aerospace engineer at the lab. Croninger is the acting team leader for the Microsystems Mechanics team.
ARL has a strong focus on both recruiting and having a positive experience for STEM students. Actually, Keith McKenzie, he was actually suggested to us by John Miller, who happened to see his presentation. So certainly the head of ARL has an interest in the summer student program, and that's also reflected in the quality of the program we have. And we do have, we take the mentorship role seriously. We have guidelines that we're expected to follow. We have the Summer Student Symposium, so all of the summer students are actually required to document the research they do, present the research they do, and then there's a strong push to make sure that we're not just sort of giving them tasks we don't like to do, but that there's actually a constructive research program built about around their experience.
Croninger mentored Keith McKenzie, a recent graduate of the Science and Math Academy at Aberdeen High School in Maryland. McKenzie said he's enjoyed his internship working with the Army in developing insect-sized robots that can infiltrate and warn soldiers of an impending threat.
Well, usually like a wind tunnel, you take something really big like an airplane, then you shrink it down, make it smaller, and use that to run tests. We're doing the reverse, where we take something really small, make it bigger, and run tests on. Engineering has many different sections. Like you'll have to simulate something, and then you'll have to experiment to verify your simulations, but before that you have to design something so that they can test it. I personally like the design aspects because it's freer and you can use creativity. Just be creative and do something like that, because engineering is like a technical art.
Their research is part of a collaborative technology alliance, a partnership of 12 universities, defense contractors, and government laboratories. For Army Technology Live, this is Dennis Neal.